Power and energy logging is becoming a big thing within the industry. Electrical installations are becoming more and more complex. We're seeing more and more new technologies. Electricity bills are going up, energy efficiency is becoming more and more important, and the electricity grid is getting more and more unstable. And often the only way to get a grip of that really is to have something like the PEL 104. But what we're seeing is a lot of our customers are starting to get into this, but when they get a PEL 104, they can offer a survey as a service, so they can actually get a return on investment for having the PEL. We talked about, say, nuisance tripping. Other than saying to the customer, well, just phone me if it happens again, there's very little solution, whereas having something like a PEL 104, you can put it on, you can monitor the electrical installation over a period of time. But also things like maximum demand surveys, if they're going to be coming along to install a piece of equipment, anything from a heat pump, a hot tub, an EV charging point, you really want to know before you start, is the electrical installation up to it? Have I got the spare capacity? Can I do that? And the only way nowadays really electrical contractors can answer that is by using something like a power and energy logger. Once they actually invest in a power and energy logger, they get a very quick payback period, and it actually adds another string to the bow for their business.